Hello dear students, welcome to the maths video class of standard 5. Let us revise what we did in the previous session. Prime factorization. Prime factorization is a way of representing a number with its prime factors. There is a unique set of prime factors for every number. There are two methods to find prime factorizations of numbers. Factor tree method and by writing a number as a product of its prime factors. Let's continue with the same topic. Two sum already we had done in the previous session. Now one sum was left. Now let us solve it. Let's continue with the same topic. Two sum already we had done in the previous session. Now one sum was left. Now let us complete it. Now let us solve it. Now we can draw the factor tree for 24 in another way. Here we are taking first 12. Here we can take 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 first and remaining 2. So 12 to the 24. Here first we are taking these three numbers 3, 2 and 2. So 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. So first we are taking this 3 into 2 into 2. So 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Now only remaining 1, this 2 remaining. So into 2. That means 12 to the 24. So here we are taking 12 to the 24. Then we are splitting 12 into 2 6 are 12. So 2 6 are 12. Then 6 into 2 3 are 6. Here you can split the number 2 6 are 12 and 3 2 are 6. So children, here also we got prime number 2, 3, 2, 2 and 2. That means same. 2 to 2, 2 are 4, 2 are 8, 3 are 24 here. Now try drawing the factor tree using other numbers also. So we can draw the factor tree using other number like here we have drawn the factor tree using 36 and 48 number. So first let do it with the prime factorization method. So here we have taken first 18 2s are 36. That means 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 18 and then these 2 remain. So 3 3s are 9, 2s are 18, 18 into 2. So 18 into 2 is equal to 36. Then split it into two part. 18, 2 9s are 18. Here 2 is prime number, this is also prime number, so 9 is splitted into 3 3s are 9. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the factors of 36, prime factors of 36. And here other way, here 3 3s are 9 first taken and then this 2 2s are 4. So 9 4s are 36. 9 is splitted into 3 into 3 and 4 is splitted into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4 and here 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 is equal to 36. Then here first 3 here taken and this remaining 2 2 3. That means 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 3s are 12. So 3 into 12. 3 into 12. Then 12. 4 3s are 12. 3 is a prime factor and here also 3 is prime factor. So here 4 is splitted into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And now 48. 48 can be factorized as given factor trees. 48. Here we are taking 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12. Here we are taking 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. First this 4 2 multiplied by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times and into 3. So 16 3s are 48. Then this 3 is prime factor. So no need to split here. 16 splitted into 8 2s are 16. And here 2 is prime factor. Now 8 is splitted into 4 2s are 8 and then 2 is prime number. 4 is splitted into 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is our, here we have factorized So 48. Now here we have taken 8 and 6. That means this 3, 2 and this 2 into 3. This means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8. And here 3 2s are 6. So 8 into 6. So 6 splitted into 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 8. 4 2s are 8. Here 4 is again splitted into 2. 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. These all are the factors. And again 48 is factorized in another way. Here 12 taken, that means these 3 taken. 3 2s are 6, 2s are 12 and this 4. 2 2s are 4. So 12 into 4. So 12 is again splitted into 6 2s are 12 and here 4 2 2s are 4. These 3 are prime factors, so no need to split, and 6 is 3 2s are 6. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. In this way we can draw factor tree for different numbers. Here tiling problems. First one, there is a garden in Anu's house. In the middle of the garden there is a path. You might have also seen the path in the garden of small tiles. They decided to tile the path using tiles of length 2 feet, 3 feet and 5 feet. So one of 2 feet and second one of 3 feet and third one of 5 feet. The mason tiled the first row with 2 feet tiles, the second row with 3 feet tiles and the third row with 5 feet tiles. In this way he tiled the path. The mason has not cut any of the tiles, then what is the shortest length of the path? So children, can you tell me what we have to do here? Here what is written? The shortest length of the path. That means we have to find out the least common multiple of this 3, 5 and 2. Wherever written smallest or shortest, we have to find out LCM, that means least common multiple. So let's find out this. Shortest length of path, we have to find out the multiples of 2, 3 and 5, and then we have to find out the smallest common multiple, that means least common multiple, LCM. So here the smallest common multiple of 2, 3 and 5 is the shortest length of the path. Here multiple of 2, we can get the multiple of 2 by multiplying the 2 with the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 and 30. These all are the multiples of 2 and so on. Then multiples of 3, that means table of 3, and here table of 2. So 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 15, 18, 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 30. And multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. And here which is the smallest common multiple? That is this 30, and here also 30. This is the least common multiple, that means the first common multiple of 2, 3 and 5. So the smallest common multiple is 30, hence the answer is 30 feet. The shortest length of the path is 30 feet. Now next question is, Manoj has made a new house. He wants to lay tiles on the floor. The size of the room is 9 feet and 12 feet. In the market there are 3 kinds of square tiles: 1 foot into 1 foot, 2 feet into 2 feet and 3 feet into 3 feet. Which size of tile should he buy for his room so that he can lay it without cutting? So children, here the size of the room is 9 feet into 12 feet. So he cannot lay tiles of 2 feet into 2 feet. without cutting because 2 is not the factor of 9. It is factor of 12 but not factor of 9. But 1 and this 3 are the factors of both 9 and 12. So he should buy square tiles measuring 1 foot into 1 foot or 3 feet into 3 feet. So children, we can write the answer in this way. 2 is not a factor of 9 feet, which is the width of the room. The width of the room is 9 feet and 12 feet. 1 and 3 are factors of both 9 and 12. Hence, Manoj can buy tiles of 1 foot into 1 foot or 3 feet into 3 feet. These tiles can be laid without cutting. Now question number 3. This is the last question of this chapter. Rani, Geeta and Nasima live near each other. Here are the girls. They live near each other. The distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. As you can see in the picture, the distance from their houses to the road is 90 feet. Here Rani's house, here Geeta's house, from house to road is 90 feet, and here also from Nasima's house to road is also 90 feet. Now they decided to tile the path to the road. They all bought tiles of different designs and length. Rani bought the shortest tile. Here what is the size of the tile is not given, only in the question stated that shortest tile. Rani bought the shortest tile. Geeta bought the middle size one, and Nasima bought the longest one. Now, if they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles, what is the size of the tiles each has bought? Suggest 3 different solutions. Explain how you get this answer. So, distance from the house to road is 90 feet here, and they want to tile the path from house to road. And they could tile the path without cutting any of the tiles. So, we have to find out the size of the tile by factorize 90. So now we will calculate the factors of 90 first, and then we shall decide what is the size of Rani's tile, and then Geeta's tile, and then Nasima's tile. So let's do. Here the distance from their houses to road is 90 feet. So factors of 90 are 90 into 1, 2 into 45, 45 2s are 90, 91s are 90, 33s are 90, 18 5s are 90, 15 6s are 90, 10 9s are 90. That means here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, 15, 18, 30, 45 and 90. These all are the factors of 90. So tiles bought by Rani shortest size. That means this factor we can take 1 or 2 or 3. So 1 by 1, 1 by 2 or 1 by 3, that means, or 2 by 2 or 3 by 3, 2, etc. or 3 by 3 also we can take. So tiles bought by Rani shortest size is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, etc. And here Geeta's tiles middle size one. That means we can take this 2 and 3 from the factors, and 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 3, etc. And now Nasima's tile is longest one. That means we can take 5 from here, 5, 6, etc. So 5 into 5, 6 into 6, 5 into 6 or 6 into 6, etc. So children, do write the multiplication tables and the solution of this all the question in your maths notebook, and you also practice for multiples and factors. Thank you. Today I will be sharing some extra questions and solution of the chapter 3 and 4. Here some formulas of square and rectangle, area and perimeter of square and rectangle. Then here find the area and perimeter of each shape that I had already taught you. And here some question answers, fill in the blanks and true or false. Children, do practice this all the question answer in your maths notebook and also write in it.